Just installed the FraudLabs Pro app on BigCommerce? Wondering what to do next to protect your store? Let's walk through 5 quick steps to help you get started. Step 1. You will need to review your fraud rules. First, go to Apps, FraudLabs Pro in the BigCommerce admin. Then, go to the Rules page. You'll see 5 default fraud validation rules designed to catch common fraud patterns. Each rule can be expanded and customized. We support rules like IP validation, email validation, and more. There are 3 actions available, which are manual review, approve, and reject. For Rule 1, it means if the email address of your customer is a blacklisted email address, the order will be rejected. For Rule 5, it means if the fraud score is greater than 70, the order will be flagged for a manual review. You will need to review and take action, either to approve or reject the order. The fraud score helps you gauge the risk level of each transaction. You can adjust the score threshold based on your risk tolerance. You can edit all of the rules here based on your business needs and save them once done. Step 2. Let's review and customize your plugin settings. Go to the Settings page in FraudLabs Pro. Under Store Settings, review your store details like location, currency, and notification preferences. Decide when you want to receive email alerts for approved, rejected, or reviewed transactions. Then, scroll down to the BigCommerce Options section. Make sure to enable fraud screening in BigCommerce to start protecting your orders. You can select your preferred order statuses based on FraudLabs Pro status. For example, if the order is marked as approved in FraudLabs Pro, it appears as no status change in BigCommerce. You can also choose whether to append fraud results to staff notes, and enable advanced options like auto capture and sync settings. Once done, remember to save your settings. Step 3. Run a test order to ensure everything works as expected. Go to your BigCommerce store. Add an item to cart and then checkout. For this demonstration, we are using a proxy IP to trigger a rejected case in FraudLabs Pro. Also, fill in the billing and shipping information and then place the order. The test order is submitted successfully. Step 4. Now, let's check your fraud screening results. Go to the BigCommerce Orders page. Navigate to the test order placed. Click on the staff note icon. You'll see it was rejected by FraudLabs Pro. Use the link to view the full fraud report. Next, click the 3-dot icon under the action column and then click on View Risk Report. This shows a summary with fraud score, triggered rules, and geolocation. To view a deeper fraud report, click on View Detailed Report. This is the full fraud analysis report, which includes fraud score, IP geolocation, order details, rules triggered, and so on. Step 5. You can take action on risky orders. Click on Action. You can either approve, reject, or take additional actions like blacklist, whitelist, or watchlist. For a manual review order, you can either approve or reject the order after reviewing the fraud report. For this demonstration, the test order was rejected. You can consider blacklisting this order to prevent a similarly risky order. And that's it. With FraudLabs Pro, you get instant, reliable fraud protection right inside BigCommerce. Secure your BigCommerce store with FraudLabs Pro for free now.